Hey everyone, welcome back to my video, and today we are going to cover another 15 questions of CSC. This quiz is not available in the market. These are the videos which will be very beneficial if you're going to give your exam very soon. Keep practicing and keep listening to these questions and answers. If you haven't watched my previous videos, I'm gonna share the link here in this video, so make sure you watch those videos as well so that you will be covering all the questions and answers. So now I'm going to quickly start the 15 questions for the CSC exam. Which type of bond is secured by real property such as office buildings? The correct answer is mortgage bond, and you can also find this answer in chapter number 6, fixed income securities, features and types. Question number 2. A transportation company would like to issue a new series of bond by pledging its train, cars and locomotives as securities. Which type of fixed income securities will it issue? The correct answer is equipment trust certificate. Question number 3. A bond is trading at 96.77. A bond's yield decreases by 0.75%. Ignoring any other considerations, what impact will this have on the bond's price? The correct answer is the bond's price will increase. Question number 4. What is the difference between a sinking fund and a purchase fund? The correct answer is sinking fund is binding while a purchase fund is not. Question number 5. Sashi has just purchased 6% 10-year bond trading at 97. What does the bond price indicate about the current interest rate? The correct answer is bond is trading at a discount as current market rates are higher than the coupon rate. Question number 6. Which bond should a risk-averse investor purchase if he is concerned that economy is falling deeply into a recession? The correct answer is JKL bond with an AA credit rating. This answer is also available in chapter number 6, features and types of fixed income securities. Question number 7. What measure is used to determine if a bond is marketable? The correct answer is a ready market. Question number 8. It's a situational question. Devika owns a 6% 10,000 callable corporate bond due on the 30th June 2030. This bond is not redeemable until after June 30th, 2025. Starting July 1st, 2025, it is redeemable according to the following payment schedule on 30 days notice up to the 12th month ending June 30th of each year. Devika's bond is called on August 30th, 2026, excluding accrued interest. How much will Devika be paid? So the correct answer is 10,385, and here is the detailed answer. Question number 9. Shamila is a risk-averse investor, wishes to invest $10,000 in a guaranteed investment certificate, which is also known as GIC, through a $300 monthly purchase. What type of GIC should Shamila buy? The correct answer is installment GIC. Question number 10. It's also a situational question. A bond is purchased at 96.77, a yield of 4.65%. Similar bonds increase in yield to 4.95%, ignoring any other considerations. What impact will this have on the bond price and yield? The correct answer is decrease in price, increase in the yield. Question number 11. The present value of a bond income stream is 28.50. The present value of its principal is $95. How much would an investor pay for this bond? The correct answer is $123.50. This answer is available in Fixed Income Securities chapter number 5, Pricing and Trading. Question number 12. When will a purchase today of 3-month Government of Canada Treasury bill settle? The correct answer is today. Question number 13. Morris is considering to purchase a Nova Scotia Power Inc. 5.75% bond due on March 15th, 2022. If Morris purchases this bond, what three variables should he use to calculate how much accrued interest is payable? The correct answer is principal amount, coupon rate, and time period between coupon payment and settlement. Question number 14. At a price of 105.60, an investor purchased a 75,000 face value worth of an annual pay of 6.5% bond due on June 1st, 2022. The purchase settled 30 days after the last coupon payment. How much accrued interest will the investor pay? The correct answer is 400.68. Question number 15. Which yield calculation is based only on current market price and cash flows? The correct answer is current yield. So there you go, guys. So these are the 15 questions for today, and I'll be uploading more questions very soon. I have a total of more than 400 questions and answers. You cannot find it on internet for sure. You have to come to these videos. You can listen to it, you can watch it, you can fast forward it, do whatever is preferable for you. Have a great day and thank you for watching.